The Insert Connect command will, as its name suggests, insert a new record into a data source. The data source could be any of the different types, from database through to CSV files. In the case of a form insert command, a new instance of the PerfectForms form will be created directly in the system, but that instance will not be open for the current user to view. As the insert command will be creating a new record in the data source, there will only be send parameters available to use. Each parameter will add data into a specific field in the data source. In design mode, this type of connection is set up by first choosing the event to trigger the connection. In this example, we already have a check mandatory command in place to ensure that an ID and name are included as a minimum requirement. Use the connect command and the insert action and link that from the check mandatory command. Link the send parameters to the fields on the form where the data will be taken from. That's really all there is to setting up an insert command, but you might also want to include some logic to check that the command was performed and then displaying a suitable confirmation message. After the connect command, add a simple branch command. In the simple branch properties, select the special radio button and the last command was successful option. Follow that with a show message command that confirms the record has been inserted. Link from the simple branch command to generate the true path. Also remember to add another show message command that confirms the record was not inserted, and link this to generate the false path. Do be aware that if you choose not to use any of the send parameters, or if the send parameters don't even exist for specific fields in the data source, then blank data for those fields will be sent. This can cause an error if any of those fields are mandatory in the data source.